Good evening, friends. It's my pleasure to meet you all in another video. So, this video is always going to be about my stock uh, uh, analysis. So, first of all, guys, I'm not a SEBI registered analyst or something like that. So, before investing, you need to consult your you need to consult your financial advisor, okay? And never risk more than what you can lose in stock market, right? So, whether you get profit or loss, everything is up to you, okay, right? So, now let's move on to the video. So, the first stock that I'm looking at here is the Ambuja Cements, guys, okay? Ambuja Cements, which is listed in NSE, right? So if you look at the Ambuja cement stock, it's been doing quite well, okay? I think since March 2022 the stock is in a uptrend, and then a consultation, of course a big consultation. Don't know what news has. I think it's the time of Russia Ukraine war or something, okay? Gave a decent 50% retracement, and then again the stock is in the uptrend. So if you want to enter in Ambuja stock, I think it's the perfect time to enter into it. Personally I have entered around 520, okay? So the targets I'm looking at is 589, that is 590 around, and 654, 695 and 764. So the all-time high of Ambuja cement stock is around is it around 598? Yeah. So it is around 598. So if you see, we have some strong sellers sitting here. So when market comes and traps these sellers, we might face some big move, guys. At least till 690 or 700 we might face some big moves. So here are my predictions for Ambuja Cement. Ambuja Cement is my first go-to stock, right? So then next the stock is the SL of Ambuja stock. I will be holding these stocks for a long time. I'm gonna hold it throughout the 2024, okay, until my target is achieved. So 15 to 20% I can manage. So I will be accepting those losses. So 15% is the stop loss if you are entering at around 520 or 510 region, okay? So also, guys, it is to be noted that don't exit just because market has come near. If the SL is around 440, don't exit if the market is around 452 or 45, like that. Wait for the market to close below 440, okay, below 440, and then you may exit. If there is a strong candle close below 440, then you may considering exit the stock, right? Okay, this is for all the stocks I'm talking about. The next stock that I'm gonna prescribe is Subex Limited, which is listed in the BSE, okay? So the Subex Limited stock now, if we look at the long time, if we look at a longer time frame, the stock has been trending since 2020. That is, after the corona crash, the market has been only in uptrend. In 2 to 3 years, it has given around 2500%. That's 25x of our invested amount. So so the stock is somewhat good, and a decent correction has been made, I think, okay? A decent correction has been made around 75%. So now I'm looking at the stock, guys. So Ambuja Cement is my next go-to stock. I will be averaging it around 30 or something like that. And if you see, the only thing that bothers me is the trend line, guys, okay? If the trend line is broken, then we can expect all the targets to be touched, okay? So talking about the SL for Subex Limited, wait a minute. So the SL would be below 30. A strong candle close below 30, or I will be exiting this stock only if this has broken. I will be exiting, guys, because as I have told, these are long-term stocks. So I'll be exiting. We can see here a pin bar candle, right? So only if this is broken, I'll be exiting. So the stop loss is around 20% for this stock, okay? So guys, this risk appetite is as per my hungriness. So you may consider risks accordingly. Maximum it could go till 87 guys, okay, till 87 88 the stock can easily it can go. Okay, we have its all time high around 74, so this could easily give us returns, right? Okay, the next stock that I'm gonna prescribe is that it's Gujarat Gas guys. Okay, okay, yeah, so wait a minute. Yep guys, so the next stock is Gujarat Gas. If we see, you know, this is a decent price action, you know, nothing, this is again nothing more than a decent price action. If we see, you know, the stock is a strong demand zone guys. So after trapping these buyers, the market has started reversing, so that was a confirmation for me. And I'm in Gujarat Gas. I have averaged it around, you know, 440. So these are all the targets guys, okay, till 497 we can expect. I think it can give even more returns, okay, it can give even more returns. Yeah, around 10%. It's a decent stock to give 10% guys. If anyone wants to hold, can hold. In future it has some uh, it could give some big moves guys, because you know, I think if I'm not wrong we are catching it at the bottom, okay, so still we have long more way to go till 786, right? So this is such a good stock guys. So I'll be, so these are the targets. And you know, if the stock is giving me 10% within, you know, 1 to 2 months, without a second thought I will be exiting this, right? So talking about the stop loss, so let's say I have entered around here. So the stop loss for me could be below below this low guys. So below this low is my stop loss, right? So yeah, based on my hungriness I might hold this stock, right? Okay, next stock that I'm gonna suggest is that uh, uh, if you see Apollo Tires, wait, uh, yeah, wait a minute. If you look at the Apollo stocks, Apollo Tire, which is listed in the NSE, you have to wait till this month end. That you have to enter only in the month of January 2024. If you see, we have a resistance here. Okay, so you know, if this candle closes above this resistance zone around, you know, if the monthly candle closes like this, exactly like this, then we may enter. Okay, hoping for some bigger targets. So these are all could be the targets guys. So maximum we'll try to exit around 640. Okay, that could be a decent return, more than 40% return. That's enough for me. Talking about the stop loss, the stop loss could be below this low. Okay, a strong candle close. Okay, for every stock that I'm suggesting, I'm you know, I will consider the strong candle close, okay, below my stop loss, then only I will exit the stock. Okay, the stop loss is around 20%. Okay, so consider entering based on that. The bonus stock could be Castro Castrol oil. If you see, the bonus stock would be Castrol oil. So for a long time, as a long time investment, you know, I will be buying this stock. So this is a bonus guys. And also we might expect a big movement, same as Apollo Tire, when, you know, this resistance you are seeing here, right? When the candle closes above, when the monthly candle closes above 162, we might experience some big moves. So it is in my radar. So far I haven't entered, but I am considering to enter it, right? So these are all my stock suggestions guys. Meet you all in another